Police in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Brevard County in east central Florida until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Palm Bay, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Bay, Melbourne, Malabar, Indialantic, and West Melbourne. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning.
SVR just got issued a couple minutes ago. God dang. Thunderstorms anywhere over here yet.